This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Therese DeLuca. WCI built, 3-bedroom, den, 3 full bath, 2,225 square foot home. Located in the gated community of Artesia, this Islamorada floor plan offers a huge great room and kitchen, giving you plenty of room for your family and pets. 10-foot ceilings, wide white plank tile, and pale granite throughout, makes this home light and bright. There are stainless steel appliances, window treatments on all the impact-resistant windows, and the sliders are tinted. The master bedroom offers a very generous walk-in closet. Washer and dryer are less than a year old. Enjoy your large, double-extended lanai that is pre-plumbed for an outdoor kitchen. It offers privacy with a water and preserve view. Or walk 1/2 a block to the state-of-the-art, 9,215 square foot clubhouse, with fitness center, theater, billiard and card rooms, social director, pickleball, dog park, and the most gorgeous pool overlooking Lake Artesia. Just 15 minutes to downtown Naples or Marco Island. For more information, review the details below.